Discover healthy habits for losing weight naturally. Maintaining healthy eating and lifestyle habits is essential for anyone who wants to lose weight in a sustainable way without deprivation or rebound effects. Below, we list some of the best practices to help with the weight loss process in a natural and balanced way. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps control hunger and digestion. The recommendation is to drink at least 2 liters of water per day. Eat whole foods. Prioritize complex carbohydrates found in whole foods, such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats, which help keep you full for longer. Eat smaller portioned meals. Divide meals into 5-6 smaller portions throughout the day to avoid spikes and dips in blood sugar that lead to hunger. Add protein to your meals. Foods rich in protein such as eggs, fish, lean meats, and legumes help maintain muscle mass and satiety. Eat slowly. Chew your food well and place your fork on your plate between chews to facilitate digestion and signal to your brain that you are satisfied. Sleep well. Sleeping 6 to 8 hours a night allows the body to rest and regenerate cells, including those that regulate appetite. Exercise. It is not necessary to work out for hours. Short walks or daily stretches already help with weight loss and health. Manage stress. Practice relaxing activities such as yoga or meditation to avoid the buildup of cortisol, a stress hormone linked to weight gain. Maintaining these habits helps you lose weight in a natural, healthy, and sustainable way in the long term. It's time to say goodbye to unruly belly fat. Have you tried everything to lose weight but nothing works? It's time to discover the truth behind your difficulty losing weight. Recent research has revealed that a little-known factor is sabotaging all your efforts: low internal body temperature. When it drops, metabolism slows down by up to 13%, making it almost impossible to burn fat. Now there is a revolutionary solution called Alpilean. With its exclusive formula of 6 herbs and natural extracts, Alpilean manages to raise internal temperature and accelerate metabolism. The result? Rapid and sustained, effortless weight loss, especially in the abdominal region. Real people are losing 10 to 50 pounds without changing anything about their routine. No more fighting the scale without results. With Alpilean, you can finally get rid of the fat that bothers you. Secure your supply of Alpilean now for just $59. And enjoy free detox and renewal bonuses. Click the link below and start transforming your body today. You won't regret the results.